This skit is about love for your neighbors, based on Luke 10:25-37.
Janet, I have to leave for some business tour, darling. It might take a week or two for me to come back.
Oh dear, really? But I'll miss you. Please tell me you won't go.
Don't worry, love. I'll be just fine.
But of course, James. Do come back soon, okay?
Just take care of yourself and our son while I'm away, okay?
But of course, James.
Hey, Cham, listen. I've got some business trip to go. So I need you to be a good boy and be there for mommy, alright, buddy? I love you, son. Take care of yourself.
Please come home soon. Okay, Dad?
Remember, you're a big boy now. You've got to take care of your mom and do not disobey her. And know that you are much better than me, son.
I will, Dad. I promise.
Come back soon, love. We'll be here waiting for you, okay? Do take care of yourself. My husband is a very caring and the most loving man I have ever met. Why did this have to happen to us? Oh, James.
You have always called my name.
Dad. My dad.
You have waited patiently.
Why is this happening to you? Why is this happening to you, Dad?
It's your love.
I'm really gonna miss you.
Change.
I'm really gonna miss you.
You know
how much I love you, Dad.
You know
I really, really love you, Dad.
I stand
Me and Mom,
before Almighty
we're gonna miss you.
God alone.
You're a good father.
I yield my need to
And if anyone-
cast the blame.
If anyone can bring him back, please do.
I've given
I really need
my heart is
Father.
now exposed.
I never knew
Stand before
that it will end like this.
Almighty God.
In such a bad way. I wish I was still little. So Dan, my dad, will be here with us as a family. But Dad,
all the rights I call my
I promise, and as I've promised, that I will protect my mom,
that I've been.
that I will protect my mom, and be a great son.
All my future and my
Dad,
hope is with thee, is with thee.
Dad,
I stand before Almighty God alone. I yield my need to cast the blame or stone. I've given up, my heart is now exposed. I stand before Almighty God alone. There's morning breaking on the hill. The quiet dawns with peace and still. My restless heart is now at home. I stand here with my God alone.
Why is this happening to me? How can I provide for my son? Isn't God seeing what I'm going through? Where are you, God? Why have you let this happen to me and my son? Why did you take away my provider, my lovely husband? But now I'm broke. Now I'm all alone. I'm so useless. Where will I go?
Janet was determined to make a living for her and for her son. In order to survive, a pile of bills was needed to be paid, even when it meant starting small with whatever she had left.
Ma'am, would you like to buy some fresh fruits?
What fruits do you have? Okay, I'll have this.
It's only 50 rupees, ma'am.
Please bag.
Ma'am! Ma'am! Ma'am, please! My money! Please give me my money, ma'am! What are you doing, ma'am? Please give me my money! I really needed that money. Would you like to buy some fresh fruits?
Aren't you, Janet, the wealthy woman? What a pity to see you like this. I won't buy from you.
But sir, please. Please buy some fruits.
How much does it cost?
They're just 50, sir. Please help me buy them for today.
It looks yummy. Can you go a little lower?
Okay, sure. Just so I can provide for my son today. Please take it for 30. Is that okay?
Let me check my wallet.
Please, just so I can provide for my son today. Please.
Oh, there's no money. I can't afford it. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
But sir, please.
Mom, is there any food for us to eat tonight? I'm very hungry, Mom. Please don't say that you don't have.
I'm so sorry, my son. I didn't sell anything today. Hopefully, tomorrow I believe. Let's have some water for now, okay? I promised you. We'll have some food tomorrow. But for tonight, let's just drink some water and go to sleep. I'm so sorry I have to live like this. But I promise I will make it better for you.
I understand, Mom. It's alright. Don't worry, Mom. Don't worry.
I came for the rent, Janet. You know, it's already overdue.
Please, ma'am. You know my husband passed away and things have been so difficult. Please just give us more time. I'm trying my best just to survive.
Yes, try harder. It's been months, Janet. I'm giving you one last warning, alright? 1 week. Otherwise, you will be evicted.
Timmy, what happened? Are you okay? What's going on?
A landlady, Mom. I don't know what to do. I'm scared, Mom.
Let me talk to the landlady. Timmy, come here, son. Stand behind me, okay? Ma'am, please have mercy.
No, Janet. No more.
But where will we go, ma'am? Please, I beg you to help us. I promise I would pay you. If not this week, I'd pay you next week. I gave you my promise, ma'am. Here's everything I have. This is what I have left from today. We didn't even have our food yet. Ma'am, please take it, please. Please let us stay 1 more month.
A month? Please, no begging, Janet. I have tolerated enough. You had your week and still the same. You couldn't pay. You are 3 months overdue. You will never pay. I'm done. Please go and leave. I said, leave.
Oh God. Oh my son. Oh God, we are homeless.
Here I am, down on my knees again, surrendering all, surrendering all, and find me here, Lord, as you draw me near. I'm desperate for you, desperate for you.
My son! Sir! Sir, help us! My son will die! Please, sir!
Look, woman, I'm in a hurry. Don't waste my time. Can't you call an ambulance or something? I am leaving.
Sir, help us!
I'm sorry, my dear. I'm really busy today. I have to be there on time. But then, I'll just pray somebody will come and help you. I'm sorry, my dear. I have to go.
Please, God, please. Send me somebody to help my son.
What's going on here? Why are you crying? Is that your son?
Oh, thank goodness, sir. Yes, he's my son. He got hit by a car and he's injured. Please, I need your help. He's all that I have.
Hello? Hello?
What's your emergency?
I need an ambulance right away. Someone just got hit by a car.
Timmy, someone's here to help you. You're gonna be safe, son.
Hang in there, Timmy. Help's on the way. What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Janet, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping us. You're so kind.
The ambulance is taking too long. His condition is getting worse. Let's take him to the hospital. Come to me. I'll carry you.
You would do that? Oh my God, thank you so much, sir. I can't thank you enough.
It's okay. It's okay. Nurse, please. This boy needs immediate attention.
What's all this commotion? Behave yourself. This is a hospital, not a marketplace.
Yes, but this is an emergency.
Can't you see? All the beds are occupied and the doctors are busy. Wait for your turn.
Come on. Don't you see? This boy needs help. Nurse, please. It's an emergency. Please, call the doctor.
Oh, finally. Doctor, please help my son. He just got hit by a car. Please help him.
Nurse, please take them to the waiting area. Lie down here, son. Nurse, come here. Just check his vitals and run down the basic care for him. After you're done, send them away. I have an important meeting right now. I won't be back till night time. Okay?
Excuse me, nurse. How's the boy?
Hey, you can't be in here. Get out. And let us do our job. Wait in the waiting room. Go.
Doctor, where are you going? How's the boy? Isn't he serious?
I have a VIP appointment. The nurse will run through all the basic requirements and he will do just fine.
But doctor, he almost fainted and lost a lot of blood. Maybe he's serious.
I don't have all the answers to your questions right now, ma'am. And I'm not in a room running the test for your son. I'm late and I'm out. Bye.
I'm not satisfied with how these hospitals are operating. Where's the honor in serving the people as they vowed to do that when they founded this health center?
I know. Seriously, this is the truth.
So, where do you live?
You know what? We don't even have a home. We even got evicted. It's a long story. But when my husband died, everything changed in our lives. Me and my son had to live on the streets.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Well, I can't leave you both on the streets. If you don't mind, you and your son can come stay with me for a while. I'll take you to my home.
You would do that for us? But we're strangers.
Yes, why not? I'm just a common man. But it's better than the streets, you know?
Excuse me, please come and take the boy. He will be fine. Gladly, he didn't have any internal injuries. You can go back home now, okay?
Hey, Timmy. How are you feeling, buddy?
I'm better now, sir.
Oh, thank you, sir. But I don't even know your name. You know what? You're like an angel sent by God.
Oh, no worries. Let's go. And I'm Sam, by the way. You know what? Let me show you one place. I know you will love it. It's near my home, and whenever this season comes, I just stare at this one thing and my heart melted and I feel God's presence.
Oh, I love that. God's presence in people.